If you had to park your hard-earned money somewhere safe, where would you put it? A fixed deposit because it guarantees returns, or a liquid fund because it offers better flexibility? Let us break it down in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify the world of personal finance for individual investors like you. Now let us understand what is a fixed deposit. A fixed deposit or FD is one of the simplest investment options out there. You deposit money with the bank for a fixed period and earn a guaranteed interest rate. Sounds safe, right? But let's look at the details. What are the benefits of FDs? Number one, you get guaranteed returns. You will know exactly how much you will get at the end. Number two, safety. You get insured up to 5 lakh under DICGC, making it super secure. Number three, flexible tenure. Invest for a few months or up to 10 years. And number four, tax saving option. Invest in a 5-year tax saving FD and get deductions under Section 80C. But there's a catch. Need your money before maturity. Be ready to pay a penalty for yearly withdrawal. Now, as we have a basic understanding about FDs, let's move on to understanding what is a liquid fund. Ever wanted an investment that gives you better returns than a savings account but allows easy withdrawals? Enter liquid fund. Now let us take a look at the benefits of liquid fund. Number one, higher liquidity. Withdraw anytime with minimal exit load. Number two, better returns, usually higher than FDs. Number three, no fixed tenure. Invest for days, weeks or months. Number four, tax efficiency. You only pay tax when you withdraw. But there's a catch. Unlike FDs, liquid funds are market linked, meaning returns can fluctuate slightly. So now let us take a look at the key differences between FD versus liquid fund by comparing them side by side in terms of risk, return, liquidity, taxation, and what are they best for. But how to choose which one will be suitable for you? If you want to know which one will be suitable for you, ask yourself these questions. Do you need fixed return and security? Then choose FD. Do you need easy access to money? Then choose liquid fund. And want to avoid tax on yearly interest? Then also choose liquid fund. But you need a mix of both? Then use both strategically. So what is the final verdict? Which one should you invest in? FDs are great for stability. Liquid funds are great for flexibility. But your choices should depend on your financial goal. If you want expert advice, you can consult with a certified financial planner, a CFP, to help you choose wisely. And you can even click the link in the description to register for a free consultation with one of our certified financial planners for more professional guidance on your investment and financial decision. So let us comment below and discuss which one do you prefer, FDs or liquid funds. Let us know. And if you like this video, give it a like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video with more interesting financial insights. Thank you for watching.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.